Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 13th episode about JavaScript basics. In the previous episode, we worked on Boolean data type, and today we'll work on null and undefined. So first, open your text editor and open the 13th folder null and undefined. Open start and main.js. Create a variable called saved, but don't assign any value. Use console.log saved. To check the preview, open the browser, open developer tool, go to console and refresh the page. You should see undefined over here. Now let's add another variable, number, and assign it to 30. Let's assume we have added few lines of code and after some time we want to wipe out this value. So here we can use number equals null. You can then use console.log number. To check the preview, you can open the browser and refresh the page. You should see null over here. So when we don't assign any value, JavaScript will show undefined. But if developer want to wipe out any value, we use null. It's not like we can't use undefined. We can use undefined and it shows undefined over here, but it's a best practice to use null because it would help to differentiate what JavaScript do with undefined and what developers do with null. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on the if statement. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link below. Thank you and see you soon.